Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Certified Used Cars on Odana Road in Madison, Wisconsin. What a gorgeous day here in July. Hey, today's vehicle video, I've got a used, hard to believe, used 2021 Toyota RAV4 plug-in edition. So this is a RAV4 Prime Edition, and this is the one you can plug in, charge it up, and run on electric only. This is the XSE edition in white, and man, is that a gorgeous vehicle. I love the gloss black trim on this one. Take a look at the rocker panels, the over fenders, gloss black roof up here, and we've got a panoramic moonroof in here as well. As I said, this is the XSE edition, so it comes with all the bells and whistles. Amazing fuel efficiency. If you're just running back and forth to work, you're going to be able to run on electric only. XSE edition, as I said, is the top of the line, and this one has all the toys. So take a look at the back bumper. Again, that gloss finish with parking assist, dual exhaust chrome tips coming out the back, blue Highlander or Toyota badge, backup camera. This actually has a 360 camera on there. It does come with your power plug-in. You can just plug this right into the outlet at your home or your place of work. You've got a 120 volt inverter back here, JBL audio system with the subwoofer. This is a programmable tailgate, so you can set that up so it doesn't go up too high if you have a low garage ceiling. Take a look inside on this one. This is the diamond white color. Beautiful seats, dual power seats. Love the red stitching, ventilated, heated seats. There's another look at that panoramic moonroof. So this one, 2021, I believe it has under 16,000 miles on it. Has navigation, of course. Heated steering wheel. Really, all the options you can get, you'll find on this one right here. 2021 with under 16,000 miles on it. Heated seats in the back. These back seats actually recline. Love the red racing stripes, cup holders all around. USB plug-ins for your smartphone and your computers. Once again, there's that panoramic moonroof. So you've got a really great warranty on this with the hybrid 8-year 100,000 mile mechanical, 10-year 150,000 mile battery warranty, 5 years 60,000 on the engine, and then we do include SmartCare, so we're going to take care of your maintenance for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles. Plus, you're going to get roadside assistance. Just a lot of value in this vehicle, over and above that it's just a really great vehicle. So this one's available today. What is today? July 14th, 2022. If you're interested, take some action now. Pretty confident this one's not going to sit around long. This is Tony at Smart Toyota. Thanks for watching.